everyone, I'm Andy Meunier.
I'm Ben Meunier. Today we're absolutely thrilled to be here in one of the best parts of Sunnyvale. We've got sweeping views of the golf course. We're centrally located in Sunnyvale, close proximity to restaurants and shops, and we've got top-rated schools.
Now the property itself is featured on the top floor with soaring ceilings and beautiful vista. There's 2 bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms, interior laundry, and a dedicated parking space. Let's take a look.